Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. It's a binary puzzle. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, yes, it's Wednesday, September the 18th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. Regular puzzle, a binary puzzle. And by the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. And the news of the day, well, it's today war day number 938. 938 days ago the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today with the binary number 9291. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. We have here 26 printed digits already counted. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Now the double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Okay. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And between 2 ones comes in O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Then, let me see. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1s. Double ones, here no, there no. And now, between 2 O's comes in 1. Well. Come on. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. Between the O is an O and a 1, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Let me see. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes. Between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's here. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then need to wait. Come on. 1 double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 2, 3, 4. Time for comparing, I believe. Time for comparing. Well. How about here? Double 1. Oh. No. Well. Well. 100. No, we have a 100 here now. Oh, overlooked. Double ones. Here, no, there, no. Double O's here, one, there, one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Well, overlooked. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, now I need to compare. Question is... No, double O's. Here. 1. Yeah, this column, the first column. And I believe this column. No, this column. Okay, let me compare. 1, 1, empty box. 1, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. This one and that one. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to compare again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. Okay. 10, 10. Do we have a 10, 10 here? No. Cannot compare this one. How about this 1001? Here we have a 1001. Here. No. I need to compare the columns then. Okay, 1001. No. How about 1010? 1010. 01. Oh, yeah. This column and the last column. All right. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits here. Okay. So we have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be no. Double O's. Here, 1, there, 1. Double ones. Here, no, there, no. Finished in 9 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Need to compare twice. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.